well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So, in case if you are a new user, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the updates from my further upcoming playlist. In the previous videos, we have covered various topics. So, in case if you have missed any of them, I'll provide you the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. Also, I have provided my own notes which have in-depth concepts and knowledge about whole TypeScript features. So make sure you can go through that. So it would be better for you for revising the concepts and giving a thorough knowledge upon that. And without any further ado, let's get into the video now and start with our today's lecture that is going to be about utilities. Now, what is utility in TypeScript? Now, utility types in TypeScript are predefined types. Okay, they are nothing but the predefined types. Now, what does this mean? It is easier to manipulate or transform the types that are predefined. Okay, so they allow you to perform like common type of transformations such as making certain properties optional. Okay, so you can make certain properties optional, or maybe you can exclude certain properties or make some of them as read only. Okay, so you can manipulate them. It's very easier when you have predefined types. So these utilities help you to work with complex type structures, which is more efficient by reusing and modifying the existing types itself. Okay. So now let's understand by the example and what are the types of it. So we will be looking upon to some types that are commonly used, we can say. So first one is the partial T. Okay. Here the T here in the angle bracket stands for nothing but the type. Okay. So make all the properties in the T optional is nothing but the partial utility. Now, what does this state? Let's say you have a interface and let's say you are giving it as a name as employee, okay, and you are giving as name, okay, name as string. Next is the role or maybe position, whatever you want to define it, you can assign it as string, and salary you can provide it as nothing but number. Okay, so you have this interface that is provided over here. So you will create a function that is nothing but updating the employee data. Okay, now what does this do over here? Updating employee data. Now I'll just put this round bracket. I'll pass some parameters. So I'll pass this employee interface over here. Okay, but I'll pass it as partial. Okay, so I am going to partially pass this employee interface over here. And now I'm going to log the value of nothing but employee. Now, what will be the further implementation for this? So I'll just call this function over here and I'll pass something. So if here I pass as name, okay, I'm just passing the name as Bansi over here. It allows the missing properties further. Okay, so if I don't provide role, if I don't provide the salary, it is okay. It will update the name over here. Okay, it is allows partially missing properties. Okay, so in case if you are passing this partially wanted properties, you can pass through this partial utility, so that here you are going to end up by having partial properties that if this property is not present, then also it is going to be okay. Okay, okay, by mistake this has happened over here. It will log the value of employee over here and it will give us the value of this. Talking about the second utility, I would say second utility you can consider as required maybe. Okay, so where you want all of the properties to be required. I want each and every property to be required. So same what we'll do is we'll just take this and paste it over here and we'll just put a question mark over here. Okay. And so as this for also. What happened over here is, what is this error coming? All declarations of name must have identical modifiers. So I think so I need to just comment this part because I am using the interface twice over here. Same name. Okay. So I am assigning a question mark stating that, okay, all the properties here that are present, I have given that it is optional. Okay. That whether if I provide the value or not provide the value in the interface, I have mentioned that it's okay if I don't pass them. But what I'll do is I'll just take a variable and into this I'll state that every property that is present, every property that is present in my employee is required for me. Okay, is required for me. So I'll just, if I write just the name as Bansi over here. Okay. Now what is it going to state? Okay. If I provide this and then if I provide the role, okay, and let's say ABC and then salary as 123. Okay. So then only this error over here is gone. Okay. So it states that all the properties are required for me. Okay. So whenever we use this required, that all the properties that are present in the key over here in the interface, all the keys over here are important for me and are required. So I need to use all of them. Okay. So we'll just comment this part and move further for our next. Let's say we'll just consider this only as last. In case if you want all of the types, you can just let me know over there in the comment section below. So I'll take this pick over here. Okay, now what is this pick over here and what does it do? Now it creates a type by picking a subset of properties from T. Now same, we'll take the interface over here. We'll take the same interface and we'll just paste it and just uncomment the part over here. Okay. Now, I don't think so. I require a question mark over here. So I'll just remove it. I'll remove all the question mark. Now I'm going to take an employee over here. Now I'm going to say pick from the employee. Now what I want to pick from this employee? I want to pick the name over here. Okay. Just a second. Okay. So in this employee, now what I want to do is I want to pick some name. Okay. So I want to pick some of the keys only from here. Now I am going to take this. I'm going to take the role over here. Okay. These both are provided now and I am going to just assign the name and role. Let's say just pick it up from here only and I'll just assign them. Okay. So the error is also gone. Now it is properly compiled. So I am telling that only pick the particular keys that I want that is being required according to my requirements. Okay, so I am picking just particular keys from this interface here. Okay, so this was about certain utilities over here, and next you can see more of them by creating also. You can create your custom utility types also where you have to use your customization. Accordingly, you can customize upon your requirements altogether. I hope so you have understood the concept of utilities, like why is it used and what is the use of it. And if in case if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll help you to reach out through there as well. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel so that you never miss any update from my upcoming videos. And if you like the video, then hit the like button, share it with all your friends and colleagues. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.